Guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for tonight's video. We'll be checking out the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. This started a downtrend right from this resistance. As you can see the red flag, it kept on selling until it got to this support zone, had a pullback, went back there again, and of course had another pullback around there. So it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will make an attempt on this resistance zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, but for now it is still selling. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and this had been on downtrend right from here, got to this support zone, pull back, and of course went back there to break out below the support zone, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This had been on downtrend for long, got to this support zone, was unable to go below that, so it started buying right from there. So this is still on uptrend at the moment, so it is buying more at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. Right from the support zone, it started an uptrend which came to an end around there, and of course it started selling right from there. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend, and it has been selling since then, till it got to this support zone. From this support zone, it started an uptrend, and of course it is buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your regular account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.